Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop Windows 11 from adding keyboard layouts automatically. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language, then select Typing. Scroll down and choose Advanced Keyboard Settings. Now look for the option that says Let me use a different input method for each app window. Make sure this option is not selected. Keeping it off ensures Windows does not switch or add layouts based on apps you open. Next, go back to Time and Language and choose Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, check the list. Remove any languages you do not use. Click on the three dots next to a language and choose Remove. This will stop Windows from adding keyboard layouts related to that language. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. After restarting, Windows 11 will stop automatically adding new keyboard layouts. If you ever need another layout, you can always add it manually from the same language and region menu. Thanks for watching.